Hi, welcome back to Western Fashion and Services. My name is Zawadi. Today we'll be learning how to make this kaftan bubu dress with high collar and front slits. If it's your first time on this channel, kindly do well to subscribe. Quickly, let's start. This is the material I'm going to use, and this is the satin material. I will be using it on high collar and front slit. So this is the fabric. It's folded into 4. But let me show you how it's folded. The width of this Ankara material is about 1.5 meters, while the length is about 44 inches. So, okay, I'm going to fold it into 2. I fold this fabric into 2 like this. The fabric is folded into 2. It's folded into 2. Okay, can you see? Can you see? It's folded into 2. Then I will fold again to make it 4. This is it. I fold it into 4 now. Yeah. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. I will use my scissors to open the side. The length of this fabric is about 44 inches. Yeah, it's 44 inches, while the width is 1.5 meters. Okay, it's 1.5 meters. So I will draft the front and the back at the same time. Okay, so first I will draw my starting line. This is it. I'm going to draft the front and the back at the same time. Okay, I will draft the front and the back at the same time. The round neckline is 3 inches neck width and 1 inch neck depth. You can use 1.5 inch. Then I will use my curve ruler to connect this point together. Okay, this is the back neckline. So after this, I'm going to mark as well the front neckline. So my front neckline, I will use 3 inches by 8 inches. I think I will use 8 inches. Yeah, I will use 8 inches. Then I connect with my ruler in form of V. This is the back neckline and front neckline. The shoulder I'm working with is 15 inches, and 15 inches divided by 2 will give me 7 inches and mark. This 11 inches left will be my sleeve length. Now I'm going to create the shoulder slope. I will go down by 1.5 inch and mark. Then I will connect from this point to neck width like this. So I'm going to ignore the bust measurement, but you can do it if you wish. Okay, I will start from the shoulder to under bust measurement. Okay, so the shoulder to under bust I'm working with is 13 inches. I'm going to mark 13 inches here. After this, I will mark from the shoulder measurement to waist as well. This is 16 inches from shoulder to waist. Then from shoulder to hip, I will use 25 inches and mark. Then from shoulder to the length of the dress, I will use 42 inches. 42 inches. Then I will use my ruler to connect the points together like this. This is it. Okay, let me repeat. From shoulder to under bust, shoulder to under bust, from shoulder to waist. This is the under bust, this is the waist measurement. From shoulder to hip, this is the hip and the length of the dress. Okay, so from shoulder to the length of the dress, which is the hem. Now I'm going to mark my horizontal measurement. So my under bust measurement I'm working with is 36 inches. 36 inches divided by 4 will give me 9 inches. This is 9 inches. I will add 2 inches to it, will give me 11 inches. You can add 1.5 inch to it. It depends of how fit you want. My round waist measurement is 37 inches. Divided by 2 will give me 9.25 inches. Then I will add 2 inches to it. You can add 1.5 inches. My hip measurement is 45 inches. Divided by 4 will give me 11.25 inches. Then I will add 2 inches to it. I add 2 inches to it will give me 13.25 inches. Then I will mark my 13.25 inches here. After this, I will connect these points together like this. So from the under bust to waist to waistline, then from the waist to hip line like this. Okay, so from the hip to the length of the dress, I will connect it like this as well. Can you see? Avoid the sharp point. Okay, so this is it. Remember, I'm drafting on the right side. Okay, and all my measurements start from the center front going this way like this. Okay, I will transfer all my measurements on this side as well, starting from the center front go this way. Okay, what I need now is to draft my starting line. This is my starting line. I will going to mark all my vertical measurements. Okay, I will mark all my vertical measurements, and I will mark as well the horizontal measurement, and I will repeat exactly the same thing. This is my shoulder to hip measurement, which is 25 inches. I repeat the same thing, okay? Then I will mark my full length. After this, I will use my ruler to connect all the points, and I will show you how it will look like. This is it, okay? Can you see? You can see I transfer all my measurements on both sides, okay? On the right side of the fabric. Yeah, this is what I will be doing next is to cut out the back. I will use my scissors and cut out the back first because I will separate the back from the front. So I cut out the back. Can you see? This is it. So what I will be doing next is to separate the back from the front. Okay, I want to take out the back and stay with the front. I want to work with the front only. Okay, this is my front neckline. I mark again so I won't forget. This is my front neckline. From the center front, I will go in by 2 inches. 2 inches like this. I mark my 2 inches. Okay, I mark my 2 inches. Then I will use my ruler to connect all the points together, starting from the neck depth going down like this. I connect straight down to the hem. After this, I will use my ruler to extend this line to touch the neck width like this. Can you see? So now I will cut out the 2 inches mark from the center front. I will use my scissors and cut out the 2 inches mark. Okay, so this is the neck depth. Okay, I'm going to use my scissors and cut out starting from the neck width going down like this. I cut it out the 2 inches mark. Can you see? Hope you can see what I am doing. Okay, this is the neckline, the front neckline, neck depth. Okay, so I'm going to open the front so I can stitch the shoulder. Okay, I'm going to remove my pin. I will put the front aside first, then I will bring the back. Okay, I put the front aside. This is the back. I open my back, you can see. Then I bring my front and put it on top of the back. Okay, so right side will face right side. This is one side of the front. I put on top of the back. Right side will face right side. So right side will face right side. Can you see? After this, I will use my pin to hold it down. I use my pin to hold the fabric down like this. Then I will stitch. So I take another side of the front. Right side will face right side. Right side is the place where I draft. Okay, it's the place where I draft. So right side will face right side. Then I will use my pin to hold the fabric down like this. As you can see, I use my pin to hold down the fabric like this. I hold it down with my pin like this. Then this is the front, you can see. After this, I will stitch the shoulder. This is the shoulder. But let me use my chalk, okay? Let me use my chalk so you can see clearly what I'm doing. So this is the shoulder. I will stitch the shoulder like this. Hope you can see, okay? So I will stitch again this side as well. After that, I will show you how it will look like. This is the shoulder. I use my chalk so you can see clearly what I will be doing. This is it. I'm done stitching, then I will show you the result. This is it. I'm trying to arrange it properly so that you can see clearly what I am doing. This is it. This is the front. You can see. So this is it. This is the shoulder and this is the shoulder as well. I'm done stitching. This is the back. So I'm going to separate the back from the front. You will see what I'm doing. Okay, this is it. Let me show you how it will look like. This is what I mean. Okay, so the shoulder must match. Okay, you need to match the shoulder and the center front and the center back as well. Okay, this is the center front or the front, and this is the back. I'm trying to arrange my fabric. Okay, then I will bring my scissors. I need to have my scissors because I will notch the center back. Everything must match. Okay, everything must match, and then I will use my scissors to notch the center back. This is the center back. Okay, I notch it so I won't forget when I will attach my collar. Okay, so what I will be doing next is to check my front neck depth first. Okay, I check my front neck depth, then I will measure starting from the center back going down. Okay, from the center back going down to front neck depth. After that, I will continue again to the hem of the dress. Okay, so that I will know the length of the collar, okay, of the satin material, because I will use satin material. I will use satin material to make my collar. Okay, this is the satin material. You can see the length is like I will make 48. I will trim it later. Okay, this is 48. This is my 48 and the width is 6 inches. Okay, so I will add half inch to it. I will add half inch to it because I'm going to stitch there and connect like this. I cut 2 pieces of satin material. Okay, it's 2 pieces. Then I will use my pin to hold the fabric down because I will going to cut what I don't need. Okay, I need only 48 inches. Then I will trim the excess later. I use my scissors to cut it out. Hope you can see what I am doing. So what I'm going to do is to stitch the 2 pieces together. Can you see? It's 2 pieces. I'm going to stitch. So now I'm done stitching. Can you see? I'm done stitching. So now I will mark my neckline. Okay, I'm going to use first my pin to hold the fabric down like this. Then I will mark my round neckline. This is my round neckline. Okay, this is my round neckline. This is it. Can you see? It's 12.5 inches. It's 12.5 inches. Then I'm going to mark my slit, which is 13 inches. I will trim the excess later. Okay, so this is 13 inches. 13 inches. Then I will use my ruler to connect the points together like this. Now I'm going to mark the midpoint. Okay, I'm marking the midpoint, which is 3 inches, because the width is 6 inches. The midpoint is 3 inches. I'm marking the midpoint. Then I will use my ruler to connect these points together. I will connect like this with my ruler. This is the place where I will stitch. Okay, I connect like this. Can you see? Hope you can see what I am doing. This is it. I will going to stitch this place here. Okay, I will go to my sewing machine and stitch to the straight line. This is it. I'm done stitching. Can you see? This is it. This is my round neckline from the back to the front, and this is the slit. Can you see? Now I'm going to turn out the satin to the right side from the midpoint of the material, like this. Okay, like this. After that, I will give it a good press. Okay, so you need to iron it so it can look nice. So you can see the opening of the round neckline. Can you see? This is it. So I'm going to open my fabric like this because I want to attach the collar on it. I open it like this. Can you see? And this is the satin material. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. You can see the shoulder. This is the shoulder. This is the shoulder. Hope you can see what I am doing. So after this, I will take my satin material. I'm going to place the center back of the collar or the satin material to match with the center back of the fabric like this. And I will use my pin to hold it down. I hold together the midpoint of satin material and the midpoint of the back neck of Ankara material together. Can you see? I will hold it all the way down with my pin like this. Okay, I use my office pin to hold it down like this. Can you see how I use my pin and hold it down? Okay, so I hold it down. So I'm going to hold down this side as well, this second side of the front. Okay, I use my pin and hold it down. Hope you can see what I am doing. This is it. Can you see how it look like? After this, I will go to the sewing machine and stitch all the way down. I will stitch like this. I will stitch like this. Like this. Can you see? I will stitch straight like this all the way. The round neckline for the back, for the front, then down all the way like this. Then I will show you the result. I will show you how it will look like. I will show you when I will be done. Can you see? I'm done sewing. I'm done sewing and this is how it look like. Can you see? This is the inside and it's clean. I will use as well my scissor to cut out the excess like this. I cut out this excess. I cut it out. Can you see? This is how it look like. Can you see how it look like? Beautiful. So I turn it outside. I turn it on the right side of the fabric. Can you see? This is the right side of the fabric. I'm trying to arrange it and show you how it look like. This is it. I'm done stitching the side. I'm done stitching like this all the way down. I stitch like this on both sides. Okay, I repeat the same thing on this side as well and stitch. I stitch all the way down like this. This is it. Hope you can see the front slit. Okay, this is the front slit and this is the round neckline, which is 12.5 inches. Can you see? I will fold the down part like this and stitch. I'm going to hem the down part. I'm going to hem the down part. I will fold it like this. I will fold it like this and then I will stitch. I'm going to the sewing machine and stitch. My drafting still showing. So what I will be doing next, I will stitch starting from the under bust going down. This is the under bust. Okay, I will stitch straight down. I will start from the under bust. This is the under bust. This is the under bust. I will stitch straight down. Okay, I will stitch straight down, and this side as well I will repeat the same thing. I will start from the under bust and stitch down. Okay, I'm trying to check if my measurement is correct. Yeah, still correct. Okay, so I'm done sewing, and this is how it look like. This is it. I'm done sewing, starting from the under bust going down, and this side as well from the under bust going down. This is my round neckline. Let me check if it's correct as well. This is it. Is like is 12.5 inches. Can you see? 12.5 inches. The round neckline starting from the back. I'm done stitching the down part as well. Can you see? I'm done stitching the down part. I cut out the thread. Yeah. This is it. Yeah. This is the slit. Let me check the slit is 9 inches. Thank you for watching. Still Esther Fashion and Services. Thank you.